What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing Qualia's new magnesium product. This is a magnesium blend, so it's a multi-magnesium blend. It has 9 different forms of magnesium and over 70 different minerals in it. So I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of the different forms of magnesium and some of those benefits, and then share with you why this formulation of magnesium is unique, so that you can understand the overall formula and the overall benefits, and then share with you my own subjective experience. So you have magnesium aspartate, which is one of the most bioavailable forms of magnesium. You have an aquamine magnesium, which is a seawater salt water derived form of magnesium. And then you have magnesium citrate, which is for digestive and gut health. You have magnesium taurate, which I believe taurate is for the brain, but I believe it also benefits heart health as well. Magnesium biglycinate. Biglycinate is really good for your sleep health. Magnesium creatine chelate. Now this is the most interesting ingredient in here, because magnesium creatine chelate is a creatine form of magnesium that benefits your muscles and your brain health, because creatine also acts as a nootropic. So I thought that was very unique and very cool. And I haven't seen any other products with that in it, so I really like that, especially as someone who values my physical health and physical fitness. Magnesium gluconate. Once again, I thought I said taurate already, but maybe not. Taurate. And then chloride. And chloride is sort of a very bioavailable form of magnesium as well, and I'll share with you how I also use magnesium chloride. It also has, once again, that aquamine trace mineral blend. So there's 350 milligrams of magnesium, 17 milligrams of chloride, and then 200 milligrams of aquamine, which is a trace mineral blend, which is about 70 trace minerals, seawater mineral complex, and then a little bit, just 1 milligram of boron, which I really like because boron helps magnesium to absorb better into your cells. So your body relies on magnesium, your cellular health, your mitochondrial health, your brain health, your muscle health, your nerve health, your heart health, your gut and digestive health, and so much more. Even your mood relies on magnesium health. And what I like about this formula is 9 different forms of magnesium is the broadest form of magnesium supplementation that I personally found in the market. There are some other formulas that have 6 and 7 different forms of magnesium. This has 9, and I really like the magnesium that is in the form of creatine, and also the taurate and the glycinate. So sleep, muscles, brain, cardiovascular. Super important. They all work together in unison, but your body absorbs magnesium in different forms in different parts of the body, and this ultimately determines the effectiveness of the magnesium product that you're taking. So one of the things I love about Qualia is that as a brand, one of their key principles as a company is they test their product on 100 people, so they do a small case study, and if more than 80 people say they have noticed positive changes or results from the product, they then release the product. If not, they don't release the product. So one of the things I love about Qualia as a whole, from this company, is I know that any product I take from them, there's an 80% chance or higher that I will personally benefit and my body will feel a positive health effect. So I really like that about this magnesium. I will say, ever since I started taking this, I have felt that my sleep health has increased to a higher level. I wake up feeling more rested. My sleep has been a little bit rocky and a little bit challenging lately, so I found this to be beneficial for sleeping throughout the night, but also just waking up feeling more rested and less groggy and less like, oh, I didn't sleep good last night. So I really appreciate that about this formula. It's really good for sleep. I just feel like my brain works better. I'm much more clear and coherent when I take this product. And I really like that it's blended with trace minerals. That creatine form of magnesium is very unique. If you go to the gym or value your physical fitness and muscle composition, this is valuable for you. And then also that boron, because as a man, and especially women too, but as a man, boron boosts your testosterone. It helps magnesium absorb. It helps to metabolize calcium, so it prevents calcium buildup in the body. So the added trace minerals that surround the 9 forms of magnesium in this formula really help this formula to absorb better in the body and for you to have better efficacy within your cells. So I really like this product, and I will say it is a little bit on the higher end in terms of price, which is fine. I mean, you get what you pay for. However, what I like also is I like to take something like this internally. So I take this for magnesium internally, but then I get a magnesium spray called magnesium chloride, which is a very bioavailable form of magnesium from a company called Omega Organics. And with that, I will spray it topically on my skin, on my muscles, if I'm sore or have tension in my joints or muscles, in specific targeted areas. So I personally recommend not only getting magnesium in your diet, but having a blend like this. Even if you don't take it every day, I mean, I take it every night because I want to sleep well and I really value that. But even if you don't take it every day, take it a few times a week to get your magnesium levels up and ensure that your magnesium levels are sufficient. And then having a topical spray, which is super cheap. So I have my cheap topical spray to apply topically. I have my internal for all of my internal things. And these two things together are sort of paired well, and it ensures that my magnesium levels are healthy, which is one of the most important minerals for cardiovascular health. Obviously heart health, gut health, muscle health, brain health, cellular health, mitochondria, and so much more. So I really like this product. I think it's fantastic. And as it compares to other magnesium products in the market, it's top notch. And any Qualia product is going to be, because they really put a lot of time, effort, and energy into their formulations, and they really care about the quality of their products. So if you're looking for something that is a quality product, that is effective, and that works, this is a great product. I do recommend it. Like I said, I noticed a difference in my sleep and just feeling more a state of calm psychologically, emotionally, and my sleep quality improved, and I just feel like a little bit more at peace with this product. So check it out. I'll put this link below with a description, and within the description in a pinned comment along with the discount code for this, and then I'll also put below a link to the magnesium spray that I get from Omika Organics along with the discount code for that. And then if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, Wellstar Reviews. I'm a health and wellness coach certified at Healthy Wild Free. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop, and you'll get discounts on a bunch of different brands, free shipping, percentages off, all different types of deals. And I just vetted all these health and wellness brands and put them all on a list for you to make it easy to ensure that you're getting quality health and wellness products. So check all that out below in the pinned comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.